Dear student, Assalamu alaikum. Hopefully you are doing great. I'm making this video for the students who are absent or who are online and they are facing internet difficulties, and for the parents who are willing to help their kids in home. Here is a sample in front of me in which you can see here the names for 1, 2, 3, 4 boys. This actually is making by students in 3v3, Hamad Tariq. Okay, here is the a little topic is missing here. The topic should be there are the player names and the points. So here the topic should be, for example, basketball game or the winner of the basketball game, or you can say my favorite game, or me and my friends playing game, or anything that you like. You can give your topic. So here he has represented the name of the players, Hamad, Muhammad, Rashid and Abdullah, and here are their points, and here the points he represented like 10, 6 and 9 with the help of hearts and 18. Which is your heart is your 2 for 2 points, so he's for 10 marks he's making 5 hearts. I would like to tell you this is the name of the players that he is representing here and the points. This is actually your data. Means our combination or the collection of the raw fact or the materials that you are collecting from your daily life. Here, the names are actually the label for his this graph, which is a picture graph, and here these points are actually his data. Like the numbers of the points is his data. In this one, the highest point Abdullah got and the lowest point is by Ahmed. So this was a quick review for the day, last week topic. Now let us do our little work, which is the same and related to the same topic. But there is a little difference. That was a scale picture graph, but now we are discussing about the scale bar graph. And here you can see the difference that there are some red, blue, green and yellow blocks. So in this one, in bar graph, we will be using blocks. You know, you are working as statistic teacher on the last week because the statistic teacher, they are mostly dealing with the data, like with the graphs. So you will be helping now. Before you was helping with the scale picture graph, but now you will be helping on the bar graph. The vocabulary is the same: bar graph, scale, and data. Before it was scale and data, and here it was picture graph. Now here, let's see. Here we have our, for example, heights, and here we have the scale. This scale is about the table of 2, 4, 6, and 8. Now, if, for example, if I change my data, I will say, for example, the marks or the points makes by the students playing game are 3, 5 and 7. So 3, 5, 7, I will try to select here my scale. For 3, 5 and 7, my easy scale will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So instead of writing here 2, 4, 6 and 8, I will be selecting here my scale as from 1 to 10. I will write here the same lines and make it the same lines in this vertical line, and I will be representing here from 1 to 10. Okay, so here is the whatever my labels are here in this side, in this horizontal line. This is vertical line, this is horizontal. So on this horizontal line I'll be representing my labels. So I have a question here: can we change this scale, and how we can change the scale? Yes, we can change the scale. But to show the favorite fruits, apple, banana, strawberry, grapes and oranges, to choose or select my favorite fruits, here are the colors. So like you can see the different colors are on the different scale levels. So here my color green apple, number of children they eat was 6. So I have the data of 6. For banana it is 5. So here 6 and then 5. Then strawberry is 9. Then oranges or the grapes are 4. Then oranges are 3. Now you see my data 3, 4, 5, 6, and 9. So for this data, the best scale which I can choose here is from 1 to 9. In this one, the types of deserts and the number of the students who visited the deserts 12, 2, 4, the blue is 8, and then the green one is 14. So for this one, I selected here my scale for this 12, 2, 4, 8, and 14. I can see this is a table of 2, so here I will select my scale. It is a table of 2. Now here I can select according to my data. I can select the table of 10. I can select the table of 3, the table of 4. It's my choice. For example, if I have a data in which I want to represent where I will show 15. I want to represent 15 in this data, for example. So where I will be representing 15. Yes, between 10 and 20, here it will be in the center, in the mid. Okay, so we can insert here a line, and we can write that, we can show that this is the line of 15, which is mid of 10 and 20. So where I will show 35 between 40 and 30, of course. Now here, for this, I have a question here. For this 10, 25, 45, 30, and 40, to represent this data, which uh, which uh, which two scales you can select? For example, you can think and you can decide which for this Kahoot, these are game names, these are the number of the player who played. For Kahoot, quizzes, and Trickle, these three games, this is the data. Kahoot played by 2, quizzes by 8, Trickle by 12. For this data, how you will select which scale you will be selecting. Select your scale, okay, and you will make from this on your maths copybooks. If you want, you can make it with this video, or of course we will be making in the class. Thank you so much, students. I hope this video will help you learning the previous work and also learning the next task. Inshallah, see you soon in the class. Take care. Bye bye.